The Honda P7 is a next-generation electric SUV designed to redefine the future of intelligent mobility. With segment-leading features and futuristic design, it delivers both smart functionality and thrilling performance. It ensures top-level safety with Smart Collision Mitigation System (SCMS), which detects potential collisions and automatically brakes to reduce or avoid impact. A compact 7-inch corner display offers vital vehicle information at a glance, improving driver awareness. Alongside SCMS, the Comprehensive Collision Mitigation System (CCMS) adds layered protection for both frontal and side impacts. The Pilot Parking System allows the car to autonomously park itself in parallel or perpendicular spots using sensors and cameras. You can also control the air conditioning via the Honda app, cooling the cabin before you even step inside. The Smart Mobile Control (SMC) feature lets you manage functions like locks and climate remotely through your smartphone. Battery safety is prioritized with Honda's advanced EV battery protection architecture, providing high structural integrity and long-lasting durability. Inside, the cabin offers a seamless floating console layout and hidden storage for a clean, futuristic look. For safety, the P7 includes 13 airbags offering complete protection for all passengers. Interior materials are anti-fouling and easy to clean, keeping the space premium and fresh over time. Dual touchscreens, 12.8-inch and 10.25, use anti-glare technology for crystal-clear visuals under any lighting. The Adaptive Electromagnetic Damping System (ADS) smooths out road bumps, preventing dizziness and enhancing ride comfort. Wide 21-inch Continental silent tires, 206mm, ensure superior grip and quiet performance. The P7 supports L2+ intelligent driving features including lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and smart braking, enabling semi-autonomous driving. A massive 41.9-inch max projection HUD displays key driving info directly on the windshield, minimizing distractions. Its dual motor setup delivers responsive power to all four wheels, enhancing traction and performance. The electric drivetrain offers impressive power output and rockets the P7 from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.6 seconds. For efficient driving, the 6-speed kinetic energy recovery system recharges the battery during deceleration, making it ideal for stop-and-go city driving. The Honda P7 blends safety, power, intelligence, and futuristic styling into one smart EV package, a true step into the future of driving.